Because some people say z or dis or zat or doze by mistake. It's like your brain knows it's a TH and it's supposed to be the, but your mouth just doesn't do what you want it. But we definitely notice, and it can be distracting from the point you're trying to make. So if you show up this Thursday, August 28th, 2025, you're going to learn how to create muscle memory that leads to automaticity by drilling the most common words and training with tongue twisters. You don't even have to turn on your camera if you're shy. It's only going to take 1 hour, but you don't even have to stay the whole time. I'm creating a new course for my Accent Academy on how to get 2 perfect TH sounds. But before I record it, I like to test it out on a live audience to see if I'm forgetting anything. So for you, it's free to join. All I ask in return is some feedback from you, but this will be the only free TH Masterclass for the next few years, so don't miss it. Get the invitation via email and my link, and I hope to see you this Thursday. Notice I said Thursday.